How to buy SPORE token. Before we get started, please note that this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional financial advisor, so always make sure to do your own research before investing in any project you find on my channel. Now, before purchasing the SPORE token, make sure to check out their official accounts. They have a large community, as you can see. Staying up to date with their news and updates is important before making any decisions. Let's dive into how to buy the SPORE token. Here's what you need to do. Create an account on DX Screener. If you don't already have an account on DX Screener, go ahead and create one. Once you've logged in, search for the SPORE token page. Copy the token address. Once you've opened the SPORE token page on DX Screener, copy the token address. The token operates on the Solana network, so make sure you're using the correct network. Open Phantom Wallet. Now, open your Phantom Wallet. If you don't have it installed, you can download and set it up. Once you have the wallet open, click on Swap. Add Solana to your wallet. Make sure you have enough Solana, SOL, in your wallet to complete the purchase. If you don't have enough, you'll need to deposit some SOL first. Select the token and enter the amount. After that, select USD or another cryptocurrency you want to use to purchase the SPORE token. Paste the SPORE token address that you copied earlier. Enter the amount you want to buy, and it will show you how much SPORE you'll receive. Choose a provider. Now, you'll need to choose a provider for the transaction. For example, you can use Jupiter. Make sure to read all the information carefully before continuing. Swap and complete the purchase. Once you've reviewed the details, click on Swap. You will be redirected to the Jupiter provider to complete the buying process. Adjust slippage if needed. If you face any issues with the transaction, you can go back and adjust the slippage tolerance, for example, 0.3% or 1%, to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully purchased the SPORE token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.